You have the ability to integrate directly with the client's Microsoft 365 environment and Augmentt. This is a two-step process. To begin, navigate to Configuration and then Integrations. Select the customer that you want to set up the direct integration for and click the Connect button in the M365 box. You'll be prompted to enter your admin credentials for the client's environment, and then receive a series of permissions prompts to connect to the client's environment. Once you have consented to the various prompts, the Manage Office and Graph APIs will be connected. The second step is to connect to Exchange Online. This requires you to run a PowerShell script locally as an administrator. You can download the script from the Augmentt portal and then run it in PowerShell. You will receive a few more permission prompts, and once you complete, you will receive a script output token that you will copy from your PowerShell window and paste into Augmentt. Don't forget to include the brackets on the lines above and below the token. Once the token has been pasted in Augmentt and the Exchange Online connection is established, you are fully connected to the client's Microsoft 365 environment.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.